Okay, here we go. We're going to do transformations, and we're going to do a 180-degree rotation about the origin. Here's the coordinate rule right here. This is probably, in my opinion, the easiest one. You're keeping x and y where they are. You're just changing the signs on both x and y. So it'll make sense in a second if it doesn't already. First thing you want to do is you want to label your points of your object right now. We have a triangle here. We'll call it triangle PQR, and let's just label those points. Point P appears to be -3, -2. Point Q looks like it's +1, -1. And R looks to be +1, -4. So those are our points. Now let's do our rotations here. So let's start with P. P is currently -3, -2. So P prime, watch how simple this is. P prime, just take the opposite of -3, and you get 3. Opposite of -2 is 2. P prime is simply 3, 2. There's P prime. And I am going to change the color here because I don't want it to look the same. Let's do this in red. P prime, 3, 2. That is not red. Now it's going to be red. Hopefully. There is P prime. Excellent. Let's do Q. Q is currently 1, -1. So Q prime, change the x from 1 to -1. Change the y from -1 to +1. So Q prime becomes -1, 1. There's our Q prime. And then we have R. R is 1, -4. So R prime becomes -1, +4. R prime, -1, +4 is going to be right here. R prime. Connect the dots. And we have now rotated this triangle PQR 180 degrees about the origin. And that's it. 180-degree rotation. Just change the sign of your x and y value for each point.